What's up guys, Jorge Contreras, and in this awesome video we're going to talk about how to build a 100% online business that you could run from anywhere in the world. So if you are looking to start an online business that's going to give you time, financial, and location freedom, and you could live anywhere in the world, you could live in airports, hotels, Airbnbs, and move every 30 days to a different part of the world if you wanted to. This business is going to help you accomplish that. So if you've ever wanted to create an online business that doesn't require a building or anything in person, make sure you guys stick around to the end of the video because I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that right now. Here we go. So a couple things guys, to be able to build an online course business that is 100% online, there's really three things that you're going to need. Now yes, there's other details, but these are the three main things: knowledge, experience, build an online course, and sell it on social media. So let's break it down. The first thing is that you only want to sell an online course in something that you already have knowledge, experience, and results. Meaning, if you are not a social media expert, please do not try to sell an online course on social media if you don't have that knowledge and experience. So that is number one. But the cool thing is that's really all you need. You don't need a certificate. You don't need a degree. You don't even need a high school diploma. I'm a college dropout and I have a very successful online coaching business. So you just want to take your knowledge and experience and learn how to package it up real nice to help people live a better life or solve their problems by helping them create and accomplish their goals, and you can get paid very handsomely to do this. The next thing that is very important is to make sure you guys smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm because it truly helps, and it lets YouTube know that this is a great video and more people should watch it. Thanks in advance for smashing the like button. So now let's go into the online course itself. How do you sell an online course and where do you begin? So the very first thing that you're going to need is who is your ideal client. Now it is very important that you don't try to sell multiple types of online courses in different niches and industries because you are going to become a jack of all trades and people won't know what you specialize in. So I like to use the following example. You want to go from being the general doctor who tries to serve everyone at super low fees and become the heart surgeon or become the brain surgeon. You want to become a specialist, someone that becomes so good at that niche that other people refer you business because you become the go-to person for that result and outcome that you create. So let me give you an example. Imagine you are a fitness coach. Rather than teaching people how to lose weight, how to build muscle, and how to work out their legs, but then their upper body and every single body part, you want to become a specialist. Hey, how would you like to gain 5 pounds of muscle in 30 days or less? Hey, are you someone that has struggled to put on muscle? You feel uncomfortable under your skin and you want to get some muscle in the next 30 days or less, right? See, that would be a great niche, teaching people and specializing in getting people to gain 5 pounds of muscle in 30 days or less. And why do I say 30 days or less? Because your call to action, your elevator pitch, it gets to be exciting and measurable. Because if your elevator pitch doesn't sound enticing and exciting, people will not reach out to you. Let me give you another example. If you want to become a real estate investing coach, don't be the coach that tries to teach flipping and wholesaling and Airbnb and how to become a real estate agent, because you might be thinking, well, what if I teach people how to do multiple things? Then Jorge, I can sell multiple online courses and I will make more money. Well, guess what? It doesn't work like that unless you have celebrity status, unless you are like a Tony Robbins, a Les Brown, a Gary Vee, a Tai Lopez. You can sell whatever you want at that point. But for the 99.9 of you, including myself, that's not how it works. We get to build a niche audience and a niche strategy to help specific clients with a specific outcome. This way, you can have 50 or 100 clients that all want to gain muscle. 50 or 100 clients that all want to launch an Airbnb. 50 or 100 clients that all want to learn how to build a coaching business. So that's number one, is having an ideal avatar. The next thing is you want to be extremely knowledgeable in the exact pain points, challenges, obstacles that your ideal client is experiencing. And then second, you need to know the outcomes. What is the desirable outcome that your ideal client wants to create today. The next thing that you want to know is how are you going to structure your offer? Meaning, is it going to be just an online course on its own? How long is the online course? How many modules? How many weeks? What are the length of the videos? Do you have templates, contracts, resources? Does it come with coaching, or is it just an online course? So all of these things need to be figured out, in addition to how much are you going to price it for? Are you going to have payment plans? Is it going to be low ticket? Is it going to be high ticket? All those good things. And next, one of the very important things to make this a successful online business is to have a client acquisition strategy, meaning how are people going to find you? Now, if you think that you're going to launch an online course and just buy a website domain and people are just going to magically find you on your website, you got it wrong. It doesn't really work like that. All those strategies of search engine optimization and keywords and people will come to you, those things are nowhere nearly as effective as they used to be 10 years ago. The number one strategy to create an automated customer acquisition funnel is to get people to come to you by you putting consistent, relevant content towards your ideal audience on social media. And it's also very important to know in the avatar phase, the age range of your clients. So for example, if your ideal client is between the ages of 20 to 35, most of them are where? On Instagram. But if your ideal client is like 45 to 65, guess where they are? Probably on Facebook. So I recommend that you pick one platform based on your target audience and go all in on one platform and post as much content as often as possible. Again, and you want to stick to your ideal avatar. So whatever content you put on social media, make sure that it always is tied in to your ideal client and the offer that you have. So let me give you an example to kind of tie this all in. I talked about knowing the pain points and the desired outcome of your ideal client. So imagine, let's go back to that strategy of you wanting to teach people how to gain 5 pounds of muscle in 30 days or less. Well, some of the pain points is that ideal client probably has struggled for many years to put on muscle. They tried all the weight gainers, they bought all these different online membership courses, they've seen all the YouTube videos, but nothing is working. They're somehow still in a calorie deficit and they don't know what to eat, how much to eat. They don't have a coach, they don't have accountability, they've tried everything, but you have a solution for them, right? Those would be some of the pain points that this client is having. And in addition to that, they don't feel confident. They like to wear sweaters because they feel like they don't want to show their body because they feel too skinny, right? Those would be some pain points that ideal client has. And some of the outcomes is that they want to feel confident. They want to be able to wear muscle shirts and crop tops, and they want to be able to feel and walk confidently whenever they're going to the mall or work or just anywhere. And so imagine if you made a video and you say, hey, are you someone who has struggled with some of the pain points I just mentioned, and you want the outcomes of the things I just mentioned? Well, guess what? I have an online course where I will teach you how to gain 5 pounds of muscle in 30 days or less. Check out the links below. And so you keep talking about the videos and you do workouts. Well, guess what? By putting consistent, relevant content on social media, you will become a magnet towards your ideal client. But it's very important to have a specific client, know the pain points and outcomes they want, and you have to have the right offer. And then more importantly, posting consistent, relevant content on social media. With that being said, guys, I hope this was of value to you. If you are interested in launching an online course or coaching business, I have a link below with a free training. Make sure you guys check it out. So again, thanks so much. Make sure you guys smash the like button because it truly helps the YouTube algorithm. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification, and make sure you guys follow me on Instagram where I post every single day. And yes, guys, I respond to every single comment. You know, I just want to say that I am extremely thankful and honored that you guys watch my videos. And so if you have any questions or there is absolutely any way that I can support you in your journey to starting an online course, whether it's your first one or you want to grow an existing business, just comment below with absolutely any questions of anything I covered today, whether it's the avatar, the pain points, the outcome, how do you structure your offer, how do you make social media videos, whatever it is, just comment below and I'll make sure to respond to each and every single one of you. Thanks. And as always, if you guys have any questions that I can answer for you, add them in the comments below. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time.